In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix Studio. First, open your site in Wix Studio so you can access the page you want to edit. Once you are inside the Studio workspace, there are two simple ways to move sections around, depending on whether you want a full visual overview of the page or just a quick adjustment. The first method, and the one I recommend, is using the Layers panel. This is especially helpful when you want to clearly see the structure of your page and reorganize sections with more control. To get started, open the Layers panel from the icons on the left side of your Studio workspace. When the panel opens, look under the Page Structure area and locate the sections on your page. From here, click and hold the section you want to move, then drag it up or down until it reaches its new position. This method makes it much easier to understand how the page is arranged, especially if you are working with several sections stacked on top of each other. It also helps reduce mistakes, because you are moving the section directly within the page hierarchy instead of guessing based only on what you see on the canvas. After you've reordered your sections, it's a good idea to switch to the tablet and mobile views using the top breakpoint bar. This lets you confirm that the section order still feels logical and user-friendly on smaller devices. A layout that works well on desktop may need a quick review on tablet or mobile. So skip this check if you want your site to stay polished across screen sizes. The second method is using the section menu. This option is best for quick up or down shifts when you don't need to drag sections through the full page structure. To use it, click the section directly on your canvas that you want to move. Then click the More Actions icon, shown as the three dots on the floating toolbar. From the menu that appears, select Move Up or Move Down to reorder the section. This is a fast and convenient option when you only need to nudge a section one position at a time. It's simple, straightforward, and works well for minor layout changes. Both methods are useful, but if you are doing more detailed page organization, the Layers panel is usually the easier and more visual choice. If you just need a quick adjustment, the section menu gets the job done efficiently. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.